Welcome to MoneyWatch. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make money online for free with affiliate marketing in 2021. If you are new to this channel, then I will highly advise you to hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification so that you will be come to know about any future video which I release them. So without further ado, let's get started. So in order to make money with affiliate marketing, you need to have an affiliate network. So in this video, I'm going to show you jvizu.com, which accepts worldwide affiliates, and you can easily join this network from any part of the world, and it's completely free. It has thousands and thousands of products from where you can promote by selecting the appropriate product. So in order to make an account, just click on start for free and a page will load up, and just enter your um, enter your name, then email address, password, then your country, and click on register. It's very simple. Then once you click on register, you need to verify your account by clicking the link which you will get in your email account. So I already did that step, so I will log in to my account and I will show you what is the next step. So once I click on login, just I will log into my account. Now bear with me. So what will happen is, as soon as you will verify your email address, a page will load up which will look like this. Then you need to enter your payment method through which you are going to receive commission. They have many payment options like JBZoo Pay, PayCafe, PayPal, BlueSnap, Stripe, Authorize.net, and many more. So you can choose any way. Okay. So once you do that, then you are going to select the product. So click on affiliates and click on find products. Okay. So in this step, you are going to pick the product which you are going to promote. So you need to, okay, let me configure my payment process. I will choose PayPal. Okay. Okay. So what you can do is, once you do that, I'm not going to do this in this video because it will take very long time. So what you're going to do is, I will show you how to pick products to promote. So let's simply log and just go to marketplace. Once you set up your payment processor, just click the marketplace, and here you will get thousands and thousands of products, as you can see here. So now what you can do is, you can also type here your search query like keto. Okay, you can search for that, and it will load up very soon. Just wait. Okay, so as you can see here, the promote button is not available here because I am logged out of my account. So once you will get the list, you can easily see how many copies have been sold so far. of a particular product. So as you can see here in this particular ketogenic diet, it has 491 products sold. This one sold 1758. Okay, so you can select by categories also, as you can see in the left hand side: vegetarian, vegetables, education. So let's click on vegetarian. Okay, vegan is also there. So the category goes on and on. So as you can see, there are no products in this category. You can select vegan also. Let's see if it works or not. Okay, so it's not available. So what you can do is, if you cannot find any product in this network, you can also go to ClickBank. Okay, so just go to ClickBank and what you will do is simply sign up for an account in ClickBank, and it has thousands and thousands of products. Okay, so I will show you now what kind of products you can choose, and you can easily promote these products. Okay, so just wait. So I will log into my account. Okay, let's see. Just go. Bear with me. It may take a little longer. Okay, so I am logging into my account. The ClickBank is similar to JVZoo, and there are many more affiliate networks. You can use anyone. I am just showing you these two, and it accepts internationally. You can join from any part of the world, and it is pretty good. So once you log into your account, just click on marketplace over here. As you can see, just click on it, and once you click on marketplace, you will land on the product page. From where you can select products to promote. Okay, so as you will see very soon that uh, ClickBank has many products. So there are thousands and thousands of products. So let's go to uh, health and fitness section. Okay, so here we can select anyone. So let's pick yoga. So as soon as you will click on yoga, the page will load up. Just wait. It's not loading. Just wait. It will load up soon. So my connection is pretty slow, so it's taking. So as you can see here, the page has loaded up. So we will sort it by gravity. Okay, if you don't know what is gravity is, it is the number of sales affiliates have made in the past month. Okay, the higher the gravity, the more selling the product is. So I'm not finding any good product over here. So what we will do is, we will click on health and fitness. Let's see what we get. Okay, and as you can see, custom keto diet, It has 429 calories. So let's pick this product. Let's click on promote. To promote, simply to get the link, just click on promote, and a page will load up which will look similar to this. Okay, so just click on generate objects. They pay 75% commission for every sale, uh, and they pay you $45.44 for every sale. So it's pretty amazing, and it has recurring bill also, meaning once you will get a customer, they pay you each and every one, depending upon the customer is on your I mean, if they, and it's a recurring billing, like each and every month you will get commission from the same customer. So once you click on generate audience, you will get a link similar to this. Just click on copy this link, and now the main part is how you will get traffic. To get the traffic, I'm sorry. To get the traffic, just go to a website called tiktok.com, which is a video sharing platform. Uh, so just go to this website, make an account related to this product keto, and uh, put your affiliate link in your bio. Just go to tiktok.com and put your affiliate link in your bio, and you will and now you might be thinking how you are going to make videos. Just go to YouTube, and for example, let me show you. Just go to YouTube, and there you can find keto. Just type in keto, because our product is keto diet. So we will type in keto, and you will get millions and millions of videos. Just get any one video, download it, and make a short video related to keto diet, like 1 or 2 minutes, and upload it on TikTok. And the more videos you will upload on TikTok, the more views you will get, and more followers you will get on your TikTok account. And in this way, you will get more clicks on your affiliate link in your TikTok bio. Okay, so this is the method. It's pretty straightforward, which I wanted to show you. And the traffic is traffic is free, and you don't need to pay any money to get the traffic. I'm not going to show you because YouTube is not loading up. So I will end this video here, and I hope you got some value from this video. And if you have any question related to this method, then comment in the comment section, and I will be happy to help you. And if you want to make money very fast, then click the link in the description below, where you will come to know how to make up to from $100 to $1,000 each and every day, and that too very fast. So I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.